Do you believe it is possible to build and sustain a high-performance team and culture in today's workplace? Hi, I'm Monteiro. I'm a speaker at Clear Concept, and I'm passionate about helping people thrive at work so they can perform at their best. One of the programs I absolutely love facilitating is our High Performance Teams program. The program is grounded in 4 different elements: trust, engagement, autonomy, and meaning. This is such a relevant topic now that we have fewer opportunities to naturally build connections. How does a team build trust? How do we increase engagement? We know this affects both results and retention. How do we give team members the autonomy they crave while balancing the accountability? How do we connect every single person's job to the overall mission of the organization and empower them to work in a very purposeful way? In our High Performance Teams program, one of the ways we demonstrate the importance of trust is using stories. One such story is a fascinating study of NBA teams. Research shows that the teams who had the highest number of touches, like high fives, fist pumps, chest pumps, and huddles early in the season, was a predictor of success in the playoffs. In fact, the high-fiving habit of Canadian superstar Steve Nash, a back-to-back MVP, known as an incredible team player, led the way in this area. He had a groundbreaking record of 239 high fives per game in one season. It's clear he recognized a high five or fist pump conveys: we're in this together. I see you, I value you, I've got your back. So how do you translate this to your team? It's really about developing really strong connections across the team. High performance teams are intentional about building trust and connections. This reminds me of my own experience where I worked at Kraft Foods, an industry leader for almost 15 years. We had strong bonds that continue to this day, and we delivered fantastic results. We worked through disagreements constructively. We were understanding when others were not at their best. We were open to feedback and opposing views. We trusted each other. We had each other's back. We had a high level of psychological safety, and we delivered great results as a team. And this is how we thrive as a team and as individuals. I'm proud to be a speaker with Clear Concept, helping people do their best work.